Hello. Some people have asked me if now is a good time to buy a home, so I'm going to answer that for you. If you need to move, you need to move. So, interest rates have gone up, I'm sure that you've heard, but historically they're still low. And the reason that people may be saying the housing market is slowing down is because it was out of control, crazy, not normal, after the pandemic and for the past 18 months or so. So it's cooling off, but this is a more normal market. If you're a first-time home buyer and you're financially in a position to buy a home and you really want to buy a home, then by all means, go and buy a home. You're not seeing the crazy bidding wars and super, super low interest rates that we were before, but it's okay. If you are in a financial position to buy a house, yes, buy a house. If you're renting, and let's say you've never bought a home, you're a first-time home buyer, again, it depends on where you live. Some places, it's still, even if you're a first-time home buyer, it's still more cost-effective for you to buy. This is the same no matter what market you're in. You need to have an emergency fund. You need to have income that you have now and will still be coming in after you close on a home. You need to have a good credit score. Home mortgage lenders will work with you for scores as low as 620, but your rates won't be that good. So it's if you don't need to buy right now, it's better to get your savings. Make sure your job is secure, and get that credit score up as much as you can, because once you do buy a home, it's really no going back. You don't want to come to a worst case scenario where you can't afford it. So that's the answer on if it's a good idea to buy a home or not. It really depends. But don't let the news and the chat about town about interest rates and inflation scare you. Just do what you've always done. Just like people will give you advice in the stock market to not panic and pull your money out when there is a low. It's a long-term investment. It's the same thing right now. Follow us for more information like this, education on real estate, at landesproperties.com. We're on TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram. And if you're in the Northern Virginia area, visit landesproperties.com for a home search. Also, follow us on YouTube. And if you liked this video, share it with a friend. Hello.